it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isaiah. Happy birthday to you. Blow 'em out. Like, I'll take this train.
That's all he wanted the whole time.
There you go. Be happy.
Lick your train. That's all you wanted was the train.
Lick it. You gotta lick it out.
Where'd he go?
Num nums.
The tongue's going. We videoing that. Well, we know what he's going to be. I had to think about that. Yeah. I'm sure you guys say worse things when I'm not around. Or she's not around.
Got the kidder out of here.
Video. Can you block my edit that?
And the funny thing is, you just keep talking.
Yeah.